Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to fade video in Davinci Resolve 18. So this is my video which I want to fade in and then fade out. So in order to do that, I will simply go here and get rid of this media pool, just clicking on it and click on this effects panel to bring it up. Then as you can see, you have to go here to this video transitions and find cross dissolve. As you can see, when I hover my mouse over it, you can see that this is fade in. So just drag and drop it on your clip, but make sure your clip is selected like this. Then you can safely drag and drop it in the beginning of your clip. And now as you can see, this fade in is here. You can drag and drop it on the end of your clip as well, as you can see right here. And in order to make it longer, just pull these sides, and then you can see that your cross dissolve will be longer. As you can see, it is fading out and fading in a little bit longer. Then there is a second option how to do that. I will show you right now. Just click on it and delete. And if this doesn't work for you, or you want more control over it, just go over here, select your clip, and then go over here to composite. Make sure this is enabled and drag your playhead at the start of the clip. Then click here on this keyframe right here, so this icon, click on it. Then drag your playhead where you want the fade in to end, and then adjust this opacity slider to 0. So just drag it to 0. And as you can see, this created two keyframes, first one on opacity 100 and second one on opacity 0. And between them, it is fading out. And this is basically how you do it with this opacity slider. As you can see, when I play it back, it is sliding. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.